Kini kikor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan jong pi, hang ne hadukan jongi. Han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, haka kamera kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Phun hau number. Pra iway layar not sau pra san sau. Lane pra lainyo arnyo sawar riunyo. Haka arpoi terik ujeliu arajar arpsan. Ketenar pulit jong East Khasils District, Kelawan Rabiang yang Sonam Raguvanci, Bat Uraj Kushwaha, Haying Bishar District Session Judge Shillong. Bantian Bishar, Hakasin Gabalai, Halor Kejingsha Keno Bakidon Keti Kejingsha Peniam, Jong Uraja Raguvanci Hasora. Ya Kejingtian Bishar ini ki Arngut Lashim da First Class Judicial Magistrate, DK Misil, Bat Katkum Kejubab Now Assistant Public Prosecutor, Utushar Chanda, Ula Betha Ban Set Along Yiki Hapo ka Judicial Custody sa Kharlaisini. Assistant Public Prosecutor ulai turu banagalang jong Sonam 4 syam ladon muktiar belawan ra bani Iaka ki pulit ru kim syam la karpat isu ha kene jing sim bishar haying bishar ka jing bishar ya kene muko duma ka dangye beteng batkan sabeteng ru ha kene kisi bansawan.
कोर्ट ने क्या आज रिमांड की मांग नहीं की थी?
Both the accused were produced today before the court. The custody is over today, so both the accused were sent for 13 days judicial custody.
13 days sir.
13 days judicial custody.
Okay.
पुलिस ने रिमांड नहीं मांगा था?
No. Police didn't ask for any remand. Just prayed for judicial custody. So after hearing, court has granted 13 days judicial custody for both the accused.
So जैसी तो 14 days होते हैं, कोई संडे वगैरह पड़ रहा है क्या?
Your logo.
ठीक है.
Sir, who were the advocate today for the case?
Okay, from state I represented. Then from defense, no legal aid was present. Only that.
Sir, this 13 days judicial custody, sir, in fact, police didn't ask for any police custody.
No.
Again, I'm asking this whether was there any demand from the police to provide them police custody or something like that?
Till now, no, nothing is there. If required, police may ask. If required.
So
it is up to the investigation. I have no comment.
So, sir, when will be the next production then?
You just count from today, after 13 days. So today is judicial custody is given from today, no? You count?
So
13 days.
So she will be staying in Shillong district jail.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.